So I found this PowerPoint on SlideShare, how SlideShare is joining Scribd. So let's start. SlideShare is joining Scribd. Based in San Francisco with employees across 20 countries, Scribd is committed to helping its 1 million readers and authors flourish. SlideShare, a world favorite for discovering and sharing documents, is being acquired by Scribd. As SlideShare users, your experience will not change. Your content and activity will remain on slideshare.com. As part of LinkedIn, SlideShare has enabled millions of users around the world to share content with broad audiences and discover valuable information. SlideShare's journey with LinkedIn. It began with wanting to change how professionals shared knowledge. In 2012, LinkedIn acquired SlideShare in May 2012, when it became clear that professionals were coming to LinkedIn to share experiences and knowledge with each other. In 2019, after enabling a social document sharing experience on LinkedIn, it was clear there was still unique value in SlideShare and its communities. Today, SlideShare and Scribd are coming together to be the destination for some of the world's favorite content. The LinkedIn team learned from the SlideShare team, product and community. SlideShare helped shape LinkedIn's content experience into what it is today. Thanks to the SlideShare team and community, people have an endless supply of content gems to feed their curiosity and advance their careers. A buzzing community, content on any topic, broad research, and high value. Scribd offers engagement, reach, and community, and is the perfect new home for SlideShare. Digital library reader, one community, engaged readers, broad reach, and creation tools. Welcome to the Scribd family. After 8 years and millions of memorable presentations, we're grateful for the journey and excited for this next chapter of SlideShare. Thank you.